welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this bracelet. So far I've got this far and I already did this one bead. So to make that one bead, we're going to be putting through it one thread, and this is the type of string I'm using, and we're going to be taking this other thread on the other side and we're going to be putting like this, opposite ways, and then we're going to be pulling it, making sure that none of the threads are twisted. See, here there's those straight and stuff like that. And this is a day in my life, so I'm going to be showing. So then we're going to be taking the two threads together, putting one orange here, and then the other orange. We're going to be putting two. And then you settle it to where you wanted it to be so it can match with the other ones. Once you're finished, you can settle it all so it looks good. And then once again, you start with the white one. In the bracelet, I started with the orange one, so you just put it through the two threads. And at the beginning, you have to do a knot where a bead like this, pony bead, fits through the hoop. So now we're gonna be putting one white, and I'm using fluorescent beads that light up in the dark. And yeah. Okay. What did you just say? I know. Okay, guys, sorry for the inconvenience. So we're gonna be going, and yeah, I'm just putting this white one. Make sure that it faces the same way as the other white ones. So since this one is facing this way, we're gonna be facing that way. So now we're gonna be putting the next white one. And he's not seriously injured, okay? I don't think so. So yeah, we're gonna be putting the white bead, and once we get up to here, the last orange, we're gonna be ending this video. Or will be. Okay. Okay, so we got, oh, hi Lola. How are you? Okay, that's just my cousin's dog. She's so cute, bro. Okay, this is how it's turning out. We need like 16 layers. Oh shoot, I didn't count. I need to make sure I have good amount. Hi. Oh man, I'm trying to make bracelet. Okay. You want to count with me? Or are you just going to break my bracelet? Oh, look at it. You're like Cupcake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's okay. I'm going to put one last orange bead right there. And then this is how the bracelet turns. Now, we're gonna do a knot. This is how we're closing the bracelet. This is a knot. We're gonna tie it like that. For this, you're gonna have to put like clear nail polish on the knots so they don't come off. And then we're gonna put another orange bead, 3 other orange beads. Sorry, guys. Okay, so, we're gonna be putting one white instead of one orange one, so it doesn't look weird. We're gonna be for the 3 beads, we're gonna be two whites and then one orange last. So let's put the other white And then we're gonna do a pause. Sorry, I meant not. I'm so stupid. Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience, guys. It's just I had to fix something. So now I'm just gonna put the last orange bead. Oh! There it is. What are you looking at? It's not like you're gonna see the beads, right? Oh, there's some other beads here. Guess I didn't see them. Okay, let's just put them in the bag there. Bless you. Bless you. Okay. We're gonna leave some space so we could have the hoop and turn it on. My mom's teaching class right now. So that's why we're doing the video outside and not inside. And my other cousin is listening to, yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly test this out, and then I'm just gonna take a break real quick. So let's quickly test it out. It's a small bracelet, really, but it's okay. It's good, right, guys? Comment down below. Now, oh, that was such a... Oh, no! No, Lola! 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 Lola, no! Lola! Oh my God! Lola, why would you do that? Oh my God. Hi, Lola. Let's just go back. Where's my bracelet? No. Lola? No, because she's been in the park the whole entire time. Oh my God, it's in a, what? Oh. Guess the wind must have blown it. Hacemos un video más. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly get some scissors to cut this and check it out. Okay, Lola. Let's get away from the phone. And if it slows down. Here comes my test subject. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly finish this up. Put clear nail polish. You could put glue and stuff like that too, but yeah, we're just gonna put the clear nail polish like that. So let's check if we put it. Sorry, Lola was trying to get the phone again, but we're not letting that happen. And then we're just gonna put the glued knots. And all of this, my grandma showed me. So we're just gonna cut it to real size. We're gonna cut one string. Ooh. I should not be holding it by that string. And we're gonna be cutting it here. And just like cut it into a triangle so it's not that sharp. Oh no! Okay. Okay, so there's some space where you could like put the string through. And test subject. Sorry, I'll call you by your name. Yeti. Okay, we're gonna be testing it on this person. Okay, let's check out how it got. Put it through the hoop. Do you like it? Yeah. Yes, this test subject liked it. So, this is the end of the video. Bye!